Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my videos. Today I'm sharing leafy green vegetable salad. This salad has plenty of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Anybody can eat it. It helps to boost immune system and keep you healthy. You can eat this salad anytime like breakfast, lunch or dinner time. To make this salad, I have taken spinach, coriander, radish, fenugreek leaves, spring onion and dill leaves. You had to choose all the leafy green vegetables fresh to get all the nutrients from it. To start making this salad, cut all the vegetables. Start with radish. Roll it and cut as you like. I am cutting like this. After that, chop the dill leaves finely. Then chop coriander. Now cut the spinach. I will not add the spinach for eating raw because we cannot eat raw spinach. So we will blanch this. Blanching is a process of boiling the spinach in boiling water. So boil half cup of water and add chopped spinach leaves in that water. Boil this for 2 minutes. And strain out the all water. Then add some cold water on these leaves so the green color will remain green. With the help of your hands, squeeze out all the water from spinach like this. Additionally, I have added tomato and carrot and onion in this salad to make it look attractive. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of olive oil. If you want to use any other oil like sesame oil or mustard oil, you can try that. If you don't have it, skip that. Then sprinkle some black pepper. Mix the all vegetables. Add salt in the last when you are eating the salad to avoid water in the salad, because adding salt will make all the vegetable leave its water. Squeeze some lemon juice on it. This salad has lot of nutrients, so we need to eat it only 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon. We will not eat it in excess to avoid any side effect from raw leafy green vegetables. Eating food in balanced way will not cause any side effects, so remember to eat everything in a balanced quantity. To make it tasty, sprinkle some chaat masala on this salad. Sprinkle some red chili flakes also. If you want to add green chili, you can add that also. Now garnish this leafy green vegetable salad with black and white sesame seeds. Eat this salad when it is fresh because keeping it in refrigerator may reduce its nutrition value. Do follow me on Instagram. Keep supporting my channel. If you like this video, please comment and like. I have combined this salad with roti and mutton. That is very tasty dinner. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.